Good afternoon, everybody. This is Steve Levay with the T3 Live Halftime Report. Currently, we are in a market that seems like it wants to sell off, but it's trying to hold up as well. We're down 6 on the S&Ps, down only 12 on the Dow, and down 18 on the ever-tech-heavy NASDAQ. I want to talk to you guys today about a stock that is near and dear to everybody's heart, and it's probably the hardest stock out there to trade right now, and that's Apple. I want to show you guys this daily chart and show you that right now, this bar yesterday was possibly an actionable bar, but in reality, gang, look at this chart. There is no reason right now we should be buying Apple. At least the way I'm looking at this chart right now, it is looking like it's going to start H'ing over here, maybe rounding down and coming back and breaking the 52-week low again, which currently sits at 419. This stock has had every opportunity to rally, and right now it's just not doing so. So I'm cautioning everybody to make sure when you find the big news like yesterday that's mixed up with not really knowing why it was going up or anything like that, to not be overjoyous that you got a green bar in the trade and to not be heavy buying this kind of thing. I had some options in it, and that was it, and I wound up losing a little bit on the options, but the bottom line is the risk for this stock right now is so heavy to the downside, and it's incredible. And I think everybody says it's come from 700, it's coming from 700, it's got to be a buy. And the bottom line is right now it's not showing me any reason to be a buy. I would say it may be a buy if it gets through 450 and holds, 460 and holds. But for right now, there's no reason to be in it. We're sitting at 430. It tried to rally today. Let's just throw up the 5-minute here. It rallied off the bell, made new highs, and then failed miserably. And that's just what Apple's doing right now. It's making a new move and then failing. I'm still in the belief, and I have a post coming out soon on my blog, that I'm still in the belief that Apple needs a superior product again for this thing to really get moving. The phones are all catching up. The Samsung phone is I think the iPhone right now is the 4th best cell phone out there according to reports. And, that's just something that Apple's going to have to figure out how to get better at because the competition has gotten much better. So that's just my quick brief on Apple. As far as stocks in the market right now, let's talk about GWRE. The stock broke out nicely yesterday, flagged right off the bell today, and failed miserably in this market. So I took a little bit of a loss on that. I will revisit this stock when it takes out 38 again. But for right now, I'm going to stay away and let the market, do what it's doing best, and that's just kind of screwing with people's minds right now. And, I feel like we're due a pullback, but we're not getting it, so I'm not heavy on the shorts. But I feel that we're going to get a pullback at some point soon. Will this be the start of it? I don't know. I'm not going to lean heavy one way or the other. I'm just going to keep, not trading opinions, but trading the market action. The only other stock that I'm really trading today is UNXL. This stock has been absolutely amazing for the better part of this year. Since earnings, it's had a very nice run from basically 20 up to 30. Today, it's got its first red bar. If it stays red for the day, I could see this stock definitely pulling back to the 26 area or coming back to the 8-period moving average right here at 26.10. So, I made a little bit of money on this break that it just had here. It was basically wedging the entire day. Finally got a breakdown below the wedge, and I caught this move down here. And I was tweeting about it. And if you don't follow me on Twitter, my Twitter handle is Levayco_T3 Live. With that, everybody, I will talk to everyone on the VTF. Everybody have a great rest of the day trading.
I'm Evan Lazarus, Chief Knowledge Officer for T3Live.com. You don't become a great trader by watching videos and taking courses. You become a great trader through live screen time. Accelerate that learning curve by tapping into the experience of seasoned professionals. Currently, we're offering 5-day free trials to each of our 4 mentoring rooms. In the mentoring rooms, we teach our strategies in the context of the live market. To sign up for a free trial, go to the T3 Live education page, fill out the form, and get started when the next trading session begins. We hope to see you in one of our mentoring rooms.